Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make a restore point and back up your data so you can undo changes if needed. Next, check disk free space and clear at least 15% on C, because low space slows virtual memory. Once done, open Task Manager and sort by CPU and disk to find processes hogging resources. Note their names. You do this now to guide targeted fixes rather than guessing, and to avoid removing critical system services later. You now perform the heavier cleanup and optimization steps. Run disk cleanup including system files to remove temp files and old Windows Update packages because they reclaim space and reduce file table overhead. Then open emsconfig and disable non-essential startup entries. Keep drivers and antivirus enabled so boot and background load decrease. After that, update your antivirus and run a full scan to eliminate malware, and execute sfc/scano to repair corrupt system files. Both steps restore performance and stability. You finish by updating critical drivers, graphics, chipset, and storage, because outdated drivers cause stutters and high I/O. Then adjust visual effects to prioritize performance and set the page file to system managed so Windows handles virtual memory efficiently. Once configured, restart and verify improvements. If lag continues, perform a clean boot to isolate third-party services and use Resource Monitor to spot disk or network spikes. If you see sustained high
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.